What's going on, Chemical Guys family? Thanks so much for tuning in for today's episode of Detail Garage. Not everybody has a pressure washer, so today we thought we'd take a step back and give you guys a chill video on how to properly give your car a maintenance wash using a Foam Blaster 6. The Foam Blaster 6 makes your car wash experience really easy and really simple. So it doesn't require a pressure washer. You can simply rinse your vehicle, attach the foam nozzle, foam your vehicle, rinse it away, and you're basically done. So today's snow foam of choice is going to be watermelon scent. This is going to give you that luscious layer of thick suds which help to emulsify and encapsulate any abrasive particles that are sitting on the surface of your vehicle. This way, as you pass your wash mitt across the surface, you're not creating any kind of scratches or swirls, giving you that perfect finish. So guys, sit back and enjoy the montage. Well guys, thanks so much for sticking through the entire video up to this point, and if you're looking for a more in-depth tutorial on how to wash your wheels, your glass, or even the body of your vehicle, we've got tons of how-to videos on our YouTube channel, so be sure to check those out. But in the meantime, you can head over to your local detail garage or to chemicalguys.com to pick up all the products you've seen in today's video, and we'll see you guys next time right here in the Detail Garage.